Okay, here's Chad doing his first flip cup with my rules. And he's having a canary right now.
Okay, black first.
Class is calling out the colors. And he's going to do it high. Get up there a little high. There you go.
Oh, it's just the first layer. Though.
That's, I know.
So
We wanted to go swimming. There we go. Purple. He's going to be having a coronary. Get enough in there.
Pour 2 cups at the same time.
All right, what color?
Orange and black.
Black and orange seems to be the fave.
Mindfulness. Shot.
There you go. Look at you.
Woo!
How's your heart? You okay? Breathe. Breathe. Breathe.
Is there any yellow left over from over there?
I got plenty of yellow. There's a little bit of yellow if you want to throw it in there.
Throw it in there.
Now you guys are really killing me.
Yeah. Throw that yellow in there now.
That's my purpose in life.
They're in charge.
Guys,
Yeah.
remember, you guys are in my class tomorrow.
I'm not.
Woohoo!
I have Pamela's for tomorrow.
That's right.
How about drops of white?
Yeah. Does anybody have any white? Don't get dropped. Or a squiggle.
Just a little. No squiggles. They're going diving.
I don't want to use all this white though.
Pour the
Wait.
whole cup of orange in there.
Ooh,
Pour the whole cup of orange.
All the orange?
that's a lot of orange.
That's a lot of orange.
Yeah.
You sure?
That's a little bit too much. It might.
We'll go like.
Will it sink? Or will it?
Well, it'll sink.
Orange likes to disappear.
See, I don't have a whole lot of orange coming out.
Oh!
Man down. It is. His heart's giving way.
Okay.
Let me see what you got.
It looks great. I actually like it.
That's looking
All
good.
right, next color.
The stick looks cool.
Yeah, it does.
We got little gaps.
Oh, you got to have that turquoise.
That is a pretty turquoise.
It is.
I love that color. Sexy color. I'm always using that color. It's just
Next.
orange.
Oh,
You want some lime green over there?
You guys want some orange?
y'all love that orange.
There's
You
some
saw
lime
what
green.
happened to that orange.
Yeah.
You got some Ghostbuster green over here?
Yeah.
Anybody?
Oh, give it to him.
Pour it.
Scrape it. Scrape the Ghostbuster green in there. He-
Might as well just use it all.
He is so cringing on this one.
Oh,
Yeah, that's like. Woo! You barely
Okay,
have
that's
it.
enough of
That's
that.
it.
I caved a little bit.
Wow.
Okay, next.
Okay,
I still got.
let's.
I got like that much more.
You got to finish your cups.
How much?
I would say pour it.
Just put it in there.
Dump
Just
it.
go. There you go. Release. There you go.
That's messing with me right now, just watching that. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
A little more black in there.
Oh yeah.
Just a little. You don't need a whole lot. Should we stop the torture?
Yeah, because I'm starting to get tortured.
Ooh, look at that party.
Oh,
I can't wait to see how this comes
He's
out.
having twitching. He's over here twitching.
Sweat.
Okay. Oh, take a drink.
Sorry, I just had to see him do this.
Okay.
this is what they call
Caffeine.
Okay. Let's go.
So am I just gonna flip it the way I flip, or do you want me to
Nope.
do it the way you?
Flip it the way I flipped it.
Shoulders.
Use your shoulders
knees,
and toes. Knees and toes. All right. 1,
2,
2, 3. Flip. Drop.
and sit.
Just take a breath. Just watch where your center is.
Just a tad bit uneven. No, I'm just playing.
Is it coming through?
yeah. Now it's going through.
Okay. You ready?
Can
I do a drag, though?
Do whatever you want, honey. Just watch the floor. Pull these up a little further if you're going to drag that way. Okay.
You ready?
Oh my god.
Is it orange is here?
Wow, that actually looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
That looks really
That
good.
orange brings it out. That's dope.
The lavender and the
That
orange are really
is-
good.
It's like a planet.
That
Yeah.
really does. It looks like a
Do your roll.
I thought you don't torch it before you roll it?
You can,
Okay.
or you do it. I just tend to do it afterwards.
wow.
That's fine.
That actually came out really cool.
It did.
He doesn't want to admit
Right,
it.
Jen.
Well, I'm trying to keep the orange on there too. That's
Still breathing.
He is breathing. He's still. I still hear a heartbeat.
I like how
So
the orange
far.
came through.
Maybe a little bit of regular, but.
But
Looks
now,
like goldish tint.
after this is done, if you wanted to add more orange, you still could, right?
You drop it in there, you're going to have a different look because it's going to be more stark.
or just
Or
do like
scrape it and do it again.
or a ribbon pour and then tilted it some more.
Tilt it, yeah.
But it does change.
But you're going to have a look of a ribbon on there.
Yeah. So you got to just kind of think about what it is you want. Is it over there on the edge?
That looks amazing.
It really does.
That does look really cool.
See, now you don't have to have a hard time. It's still a little bit white. Come on.
Move forward a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. I think. Yeah.
Wow. That looks really good.
The lights are giving me a glare, but paper towels? You have some paper towels for his hands real quick?
Chaos is beautiful.
Good job, Jen.
Thank you.
And yes,
Breathe.
I did survive.
Are you
I
okay?
survived,
You
yes.
okay? Here. Can you see us? I don't know. You see both of us?
Yeah.
Yes.
He survived! Yay! All right, y'all. Now it's your turn.
Yeah.